arm and sweep. The arms are just kind of floating through. So we're warming up our obliques as well as our lower body. So I'm sitting down in a squat, squeezing your glutes as you raise up and lift the leg directly to the side. Bringing it up, tiny little up. I want you to sink lower. It's down, up and in. If you can't do this, once again, just here. Keeping your body centered over that knee. Minnie, no. She's attacking my sofa because she knows that's how to get my attention. A few times, try to keep your chest forward. It's going to turn up a tiny bit, just slightly, as you sweep it. 7, 6, up and down. So now you kind of get a millisecond. Really turn it out as if your leg is hovering just above the ground. A real straightening behind the knee. Get back into that ball. 3. So all the way up to the armpits. Bringing your 1, 2, butt down. I'm going to press my back into the ball. Squeeze it in. 5, 6, 4, 5. Squeeze it up. You're bringing the heads of your weights. Squeeze. 5, 6. We're leaning forward like this. We're hitting more of our upper back. Nice and bent. This is tough. You're reaching it. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Up for 2, back for 2. The more you bend into it, the more you feel that oblique. 2. Too quick. You need to still bend into it. See how I'm really reaching over and over, okay? Come with me now. For your hip flexor as well. Bring them to 90 degrees. Up and in. Up and in. Shape those muscles. 8. Feel the front of your abs stretching. Push in towards your glutes, then press into your hands. Stretch that forward, really feeling the hip flexor of that back leg. Slowly stretching maybe a little bit lower that leg. Feeling your glutes and your outer thighs and your hips stretch. And really sit up nice and tall with a flat back.